Hello there, you joined me at Nottingham, a bit different because, yeah, I'm updating the norm. It's one of my shorter films. Moving now, we have the 1450 East Midlands Railway service to Newark. Looks like it's going into one. Which is perfect, because it means I can get the numbers easily. 158 788. Today you'll be seeing services by East Midlands Railway only. So coming in now, we should have a terminating service from Worksop. So that makes 2 free coach diagrams today. Which is neat. And also departing should be the 1445 East Midlands Railway service to London to Pancras. Looks like it's going into 5 or 3. No, 5. 153381. Towing 158 889. Oh my, it's a Meridian. This is supposed to be a HST. 7 coaches as well. Jump to 004, heading to London to Pancras. That's a rare sight to see here. I say that, yeah, I've seen it twice. Yeah, I've seen a 7 coach Meridian on the middle main line, on the sector of the middle main line twice this week. Departing now should be an East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. Hopefully. I'll cut back to when I see it. Oh, 156. Oh, good lord. 156408 is leading this service. So 158858. That's not a welcome surprise. A 156 on Liverpool to Norwich. Good enough, I suppose, but seeing 158, it's being 156 408. Are you freaking kidding me?
To be fair, mate, fuck it.
So our final train of the day will be a terminating East Midlands Railway service from London to Pancras. Looks like it's going to be pulling into 3. Yeah, 3. This is 222. Is that 015? 015. Thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to do what the other league people chose to do. And yeah, I shall see you next time with Lockdown Trains and Trams Season 2, Episode 2, Electric Boogaloo. That's not technically correct, but whatever. So take care. See ya.